People are calling this the best business laptop ever made, the Thinkpad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition. It's sleek, insanely powerful, and costs nearly $2,000. But here's the truth, most buyers don't realize what they're actually paying for. Let's fix that. The first thing that hits you is the weight. This thing is ridiculously light, just 2.17 pounds. That's lighter than both the MacBook Air and Dell XPS 13. Picking it up feels more like a magazine than a laptop. But don't let that fool you, it's still rock solid. Lenovo has put this thing through military-grade durability tests, so it can handle shocks, travel, and temperature changes like a champ. It keeps the same classic ThinkPad design, black matte finish, red track point, that minimal business look. But it's cleaner, slimmer, and easier to open with one hand. You also get Face Unlock, a fingerprint reader, and the classic ThinkPad keyboard with real keys like Home, End, and Page Up. The only downside? The keys are a little shallow this year, but still among the best you'll find on any laptop. Ports and connectivity. Now here's where Lenovo wins big. You get 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, and an audio jack. That's a dream setup for business users, especially since most ultra-portables these days only give you USB-C. There's also Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, and an upcoming SIM slot for mobile data. No SD card slot though, which might annoy creators. But for 2.17 pounds, this port selection is almost unbeatable. Display. Let's talk about this gorgeous screen. You get a 14-inch 2.8K OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's HDR certified, it's bright, and it's incredibly sharp. The contrast is insane. Deep blacks, pure whites, and colors that pop right off the screen. It's rated for HDR 500, supports Dolby Vision, and the 16:10 ratio gives you more room for work. The bezels are super thin, and honestly, watching videos or editing photos on this thing feels like a treat. Performance and AI features. Under the hood, it's powered by Intel's new Core Ultra 7 chip, part of the Lunar Lake family, and that's where the name Aura Edition comes in. It's Lenovo's take on the new AI-powered era of laptops. The chip has a built-in neural processing unit, or NPU, that helps with things like background blur, auto-framing on video calls, and voice typing. The model tested here packs 32 gigs of RAM and a 512 gig SSD, though you can get up to 2 terabytes if you want. In real use, it breezes through office work, multitasking, Photoshop, basically everything except heavy 3D rendering or gaming. Benchmarks show it sitting comfortably near the top, matching Dell's XPS 13 and beating most other business laptops. And even though it's not a gaming rig, light gaming and video streaming look amazing thanks to that OLED screen. Keyboard and touchpad. Typing on it feels exactly how you'd expect from a ThinkPad. Tactile, responsive, and accurate. The touchpad is smooth, though a bit smaller than on some modern laptops. You also get the iconic red track point nub in the center, which now pops up a quick control menu when you double tap it, handy for volume or mic settings during calls. Small touch, but classic Lenovo attention to detail. Audio and webcam. The webcam here is 1080p, and it's surprisingly good. Bright, clean, and sharp even in low light. It supports auto-framing and background blur using AI, and there's a physical privacy shutter too. The speakers sound clear and balanced, with a bit of bass, and you can tweak the sound with Dolby Accents presets for music, movies, and calls. It's not crazy loud, but it's clear, perfect for work or travel. Battery life. This is where it really flexes. Lenovo's Thinkpad X1 Carbon Gen 13 lasted nearly 20 hours in real-world use. That's full workday plus extra, and with the OLED display, that's seriously impressive. Charging is quick through USB-C, and the efficiency of the new Intel chip clearly helps. You can easily go a day and a half without hunting for a charger. So, is this the best laptop in the world? Honestly, yeah, pretty close. It's not for everyone, especially at $1999, but if you travel a lot, work on the go, or just want the lightest, most premium Windows laptop money can buy, this is it. It's not a gaming beast, it's not a budget laptop, but it's perfect for professionals who value portability, build quality, and screen brilliance over raw power. And at 2.17 pounds, nothing else feels this premium. Lenovo has done it again. The Thinkpad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition is a masterpiece, and it easily earns the title of Best Laptop on Earth. So, what do you think? Would you drop $2,000 for the world's lightest and most premium business laptop? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.